How to get partnered on Kick. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get partnered on Kick and join the Kick Creator program. So to get partnered with Kick, first of all, log into your Kick account, and once you've logged in, tap on your avatar on the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to the option Settings. Now, once you're on this page, tap on the option Achievements, and then simply scroll down until you see the option Path to Verification. So, if your channel is meeting or exceeding the below requirements, please send an email to partners@kick.com from your associated Kick email address. So, if you want to partner with Kick, you'll have to simply meet all of these requirements over here. So, the requirements are your account must have a confirmed phone number, you must have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you must reach a total of 20 subscribers in the last 30 days, and remember, gifted subs are not included. You must reach an average of 75 viewers in the last 30 days. You must stream for a total of 12 days in the last 30 days. You must stream for a total of 30 hours in the last 30 days. And finally, you must have 300 unique chatters in the last 30 days. Now, once you meet all of these requirements over here, simply send an email to this email address right over here, which is partners@kick.com. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully become a partner to Kick. So that is basically how you partner with Kick. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.